Designtex Knitwear Limited started in 1997 as a trading house in the capital city of Bangladesh. After moving on with this, the group transformed itself from a modest trading house to a notable full-fledged RMG manufacturer. The growth was remarkable, and so was the reputation we earned from our buyers and stockholders. Now we have world-class manufacturing units in compliance with international codes of social accountability and ethical business practices. Our manufacturing units includes 3 sweater manufacturing unit and 1 knit unit, annual turnover $200 million and a total workforce of 12,000 people. Our vision is to ensure safe and responsible production through adopting new innovations and responsibility to the plan. Our mission is to supply quality product to our clients and ensuring their quality and value for money.